Yes, my people. Talk am as e dey be. Community where good people for keep quiet. I'm brother go become general overseer. What is not good is bad. Yes, say some of us don't talk say it don't matter. We no go dey talk for una matter again each one as Simon and bear am. But truth no let we dey talk the truth as it dey be. Yes, I beg make una let the speaker of House of Assembly breathe. I go beg una. Some of una dey insult am say he betray PDP. Not betray PDP. The speaker only dey defend the political career. Some of una wey dey come on social media dey insult am now. Una also join betray the governor. Una betray PDP. Some of una dey PDP collect contract from Obaseki government. At the same time, una also decamp go APC just for our own selfish interest. Some of una carry contract to do school. Una carry contract to do school. Some of una carry contract to supply rice. Some of una carry contract to supply stationaries. So all of una are the same. All of una dey fight for una political career. Now people like us supposed to dey come out. They say, speaker betray. Speaker not betray. Yes, some of una shout, speaker betray PDP. Speaker did not betray PDP. He not betray any PDP. You understand? And I also commend the effort of the 6 honorable members when they talk, say no, may they not suspend the House local government chairman. But the truth be said, some of the local government chairmen sold out. Even some of the House of Assembly members before the election, they all sold out. So no be news. You understand? No be news. Some of them, when they type now, they say, blessing, speaker betray. No, betray PDP. Some of them collect money from us when you go down in the day, when I come work for Pegolo in the night. During the obedient movement, 80% of una when they say speaker betray, so una not vote for B. Una not betray PDP to vote for B. Come on, I just leave my money and let the speaker breathe, Joe. Speaker, if you want to come go APC, go ahead. Go ahead. Now your political career you defend. Una not get off first office, so now that politician for una. So it be like it not be like us when it be say we not there here, we not there here, we only support good governance. You understand? If Babi will be say don't do PDP for years, all of a sudden they join APC. And so wicked day PDP is the APC. Wait till happen. But when I let the speaker breathe, Joe, speaker never commit any crime. You not commit any crime. Please, people should stop insulting the speaker because the speaker have not done anything wrong. He not betray PDP. Now all of una betray PDP. All of una wey dey come social media dey shout, una betray PDP. Some of una carry rice contracts during Christmas. Una still decamp. Some of una carry school contract. Una still work against PDP. Una still betray Obaseki. Most of una betray Obaseki. Some of una wey be so na dey on Obaseki government dey collect SSA salary. Now they collect SSA money. Una still come on social media to insult Obaseki. So the same rope wey tie blessing and the PDP people when they say they suspend the local government chairman. Now the same rope tell of una. I beg, when I let person hear word. When I let person hear word, no mind them. No mind them.